I don't think there's anything more urgent and more frustrating than addressing the issue of encampments in the state of California. Today, I announced an executive order to move the process forward.
The governor's executive order simply applied to state lands. And the concern we have is if we're not all on the same page as it relates to how the grants pass decision impacts the ability to clean up encampments, that we are going to be just moving people from one city to another. We want to look at providing permanent results so that people do not end up back on the street. And outreach is important, and assessing a homeless individual's needs is vital.
I've never seen incarceration work to end homelessness. I've only seen that extend homelessness. What works is taking time to build relationships with people, offering them resources that work, like mental health treatment, substance use treatment, meeting their basic needs, finding shelter, finding healthy food, and then of course, moving people towards permanent housing as fast as possible.
The city and the county now, with the Supreme Court's decisions from the grant pass, they have no legal barriers to solve the issue of homeless encampments. There's nothing that is preventing them from engaging in helping people who are living on the streets and oftentimes living in absolute disparity. So there's nothing legally that constrains them from going out and helping these people and getting them off the street. The county and the city both need to take a very hard look at what kind of programs, what kind of interventions, what kind of data tracking, what kind of ability to make sure that those people who are referred for housing and referred for services actually get the housing and services that they've been promised. They need to take a very hard look at how these programs actually reduce numbers of people on the street.
It's going to take the governor, it's going to take city officials, it's going to take county electeds, all working together to bring back some sort of compassion and actually public quality of life to our communities. And I'm ready to do that. And I stand ready to work with whoever. I don't care what party you're affiliated with. If you want to get to work, I'm all in.